So a brand new streaming application, new for 2023, never seen before on my channel. It does seem to have a very large collection of movies and TV shows. Now, this application is absolutely free, doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords, doesn't require any kind of VPN, works great on your Firesticks, on your Android TVs. And when you see some of the content in here, I'm sure you'll find something of interest. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get
If you're new
started.
to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
And here we can see the new application. So filmzie, free movies and TV shows, has award-winning content, lots of great TV series, hidden gems that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Absolutely free, no fees, no subscription, just completely free movie streaming, thousands of HD high definition content that you can enjoy, and new movies and shows are added in every week. So even if you have seen this application before, definitely worthwhile checking out. Let's open that up. Now when you start the application for the first time, you can see it takes you straight into the home screen where you can see some of the popular content here. And here you have those new arrivals. So this is some of the new content that's been added in recently. Lots of different movies and TV shows. Then you got the trending section, you got festive content, lots of different things in here. And you can see when you highlight a film, on the top left you can see the title, you can see how long the film is, and you even get to see a small extract of what the film is about or what the TV series is about. Here, for example, you can see this one here is called Flying the Nest, so let's click on that. We can now see the trailer, we get to see some more information about the content, and I can click on play film. And literally within a couple of seconds, you may see an advert because this is ad supported, but once that's finished, you are taken straight into that content. That really is a fantastic HD picture. And that always is the benefit of using these official licensed applications. Because they're official, because they have the backing, it just means that you can access all of this content buffer free and typically in high definition. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you got family movies, you got crime, you got action, you got top rated, you got horror movies, mystery, Asia's top cinema, most watched, Halloween content, thriller, sports movies. See some different things in here, including some wrestling, some MMA, some fighting content. Then you got drama, biography, European production. You can see, guys, just lots and lots of different content, animation, documentaries, lots and lots of different things. If you go to the left, you can also break it down. So I just want to see the movies only. Let's click on that. This will now filter out the content, take away those TV shows, and just show you the movies only. Let's go back to the left. Then you got series. Here, for example, you've got this cooking show. Let's click on that. It says play season 2, episode 1. But if I click on episodes, you can see, guys, you can actually navigate through and access all of the content in here. So here's season 2, episode 2, a Korean barbecue. Let's click on that. Just to show you that it's not just one episode or one TV show or one movie. As this is an official application, you can see all of the content work straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great, free, official, licensed content. That's working great. Let's back out of that. So I was in the TV series. You got lots of different TV shows, different content. That's all in here. Then you got watch list. Now this I think will require you to sign in. So signing in is optional. It's completely free. Just requires an email address to sign in. Then you can do things like mark series or movies as favorites. And you can also create watch lists if you want to do that. But everything that I've shown you in my demonstration is doing it without any kind of sign up. Let's go to settings. Here you can enable the parental controls if you want to do that. You can also set a PIN code if you want to do that. And here you can, for example, log in, but let's leave that as is. So you can see, guys, for a brand new application, I've not seen this reviewed by any of your other favorite YouTubers. Does seem to have some nice content, has a really nice layout. Lots of different movies, lots of different TV shows, all presented with a really nice interface without requiring any registration, no VPN, no logins, just another way for you to enjoy some free content. So to get this application on all of your devices, on the Amazon App Store, you can just go to Home, Click on search and just type in the word film and then type in Z or Z, and then you've got filmzie. Let's click on that. And that's the application there. And on the Android TVs, you'll be able to find this on the Google Play Store. Now, if you're in a certain part of the world where you can't see this for whatever reason, I will be adding the latest version directly to my website. Just open up Downloader or your favorite browser, navigate to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get the latest version of filmzie on all of your devices. And lastly, if you're looking for the easiest way to protect yourself online, to hide your online activities, to make sure nobody can track you, right now, just for the next few days, there's a really special offer where you can get $249 a month. So at that price point, to get total protection for unlimited devices, maximum speed, no logging, covers your Fire Sticks, your Windows PCs, your laptops, your Android TVs, all devices covered with that single license. This really is a very special price and something that I do think you guys, if you are in the market for a new VPN, or if you're not happy with your current VPN, you should definitely check this out. Using my link does help support my channel, so if you do want to support me and my work, this really is the best way to do it. So really appreciate your support. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.